Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out on any of my videos. In today's video, we are going to be experimenting. I had to pull out my 5XL COFFIN. These puppies are long. Got a nice, nice little apex right there going on. There's plenty of room in there for your gel to go. Got a really nice sharp C-curve on it. So I also pulled out my Enail Couture peel off base coat. This is also an air dry. You do not have to cure it. Let's break out a flash glitter acrylic, and it comes in a really nice large pot. This is 1 ounce. And then I said, you know what? I gotta use more Enail Couture stuff. Why the hell not? So then I pulled out 4 of his fun gels. These are the Vivid Girl. These glow in the dark. And you're probably thinking, Jamie, how are you going to use gel polish and acrylic and do some magic? Something I've not seen anybody do. We're going to do it. Wish for the best. So let's go ahead and let's get started in today's video. But what I'm going to do first and foremost, apply the peel off base. You don't even have to prep your nails. Just apply this straight to the nail plate, going from one side to the other, and that's it. No prepping needed. We're gonna let this air dry. I'm just gonna grab a teeny tiny little bead like that. Go ahead and apply it. Oh yeah, much better, much better, much better. And with my diamond cuticle bit and my Melody Susie Atna portable e-file, and we're gonna go around the cuticles. And some acetone. Go right around my cuticle area, just really quickly, just to remove any dust. Now this is going to be fun. Shake up my acrylic powder. So let's go ahead and go in with the pink. I'm gonna put a coat of that on the nail. Make sure it's an even amount of gel polish so the acrylic sticks to everything. Cross your fingers and your toes. Here we go. And I'm gonna sprinkle it on there. Turn it. Let it soak into that gel polish. Turn it this way. Tap it off. Oh, look at that. All right, so put your blue on. Okay, make sure it's a nice even coat. Go on the top first. Let that soak in, flip it over. Flip it this way. If y'all saw someone else do this, let me know in the comments, because I haven't saw anybody do it. So tap it. Now since I have 2 done, I'm gonna go ahead and do a cure. I'm gonna go in with the mint green. And final cure. All right, so just like with any dip powder or whatever, take a brush after it's cured and just go ahead and wipe off any of the excess. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go in with one more coat. I'll record me doing one more. So again, take the gel polish. Now this is cured. It shouldn't get out. It shouldn't get into your gel polish because it is cured and it is wiped off. So this is just going to add more color, and it may take more because it's gonna soak in. So you may have to use more gel polish on the second coat. Go over it a couple times if you need to. Make sure it's nice and thin. Again, take the acrylic. All right, guys, so I'm going to continue on with the rest of these. I'll come back before I do a full cure. This is the second coat. I did all the nails without curing any of them first and popped these in the light for 60 seconds. But this is what they look like with 2 coats of acrylic, 2 coats of gel polish. You could even do them with colored acrylic. Like if you had blue acrylic, you could put it on the blue nail, green acrylic on the green, you know, and vice versa. Now what you're going to do, of course, is go around and file and buff and shape and, you know, make sure everything looks good. But I don't have a whole lot of filing to do. Like everything looks really nice, even around the cuticles. So if you put the gel polish on really nice and thin and an even coat, you're going to get really good results. Let's bling these babies out, shall we? Some of these Enail Couture, like larger gemstones. So Enail Couture also has these gems in purple, white, pink, blue, and yellow. Exactly the colors that I have here on my nails. So going to grab my DIY gel in clear, and that's what I'm going to use to apply these. I'm just going to, we're going to put a bigger one up here by the cuticle area. We're going to use this one up here by the cuticle. I'm just going to put a line all the way down the nail. This one is going to be the pink gems. So you're just going to start applying those. You little shit. All right, there we go. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and flash cure that real quick. Last but not least, Enail Couture Cotton Candy Oil. Go ahead and apply that. Just let me know what you think of this idea, this experiment. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Have you saw anybody do this? You already know I am known to do the no monomer method anyway. So I figured why not give this a try and see what happens. So here we go. Let's look at these puppies in the dark, shall we? 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Ooh. There you have my acrylic gel polish experiment. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock these? I know they're freaking long, but let me know in the comment section. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know. Let me know. Babes, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would rock these. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like experiments. Did not top coat these, but you can. You can totally do that. Or you can even go over it with a clear acrylic a couple times, then top coat. Totally your preference. Or you can just leave them with the like sugary effect. So all the products that I used will be listed down in my description box. Did use my bubblegum gel to apply these nails, but I didn't want to include that in the video because I want to do a separate video on this stuff and I want to get used to using it. So I do show a couple clips of me doing that just to show you what I use to apply them. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. I will see y'all later. Sending you guys lots of love and light. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.